Google's Pixel 6 won't have a charger in the box. Yeah. I guess this is confirmed now. I didn't expect it because it was premium. Everyone was talking premium with this thing, price-wise, spec-wise, etc. So the only curveball we got was that when we heard about the Pixel 5a, the latest one, that they didn't send us. Yeah. They're sending it to us now.
They will, yeah.
The Pixel 5a. By the way, cases for this thing, man, I got to get the later case going ASAP. Whatever, I'll talk about it later. But this fold phone is the slipperiest phone of all time.
Yeah.
Out the pocket.
You complained every day.
And
since
I should have one of the earliest manufactured later cases for it just to put on the back panel because it's already a big phone. I don't want to make it too much fatter, which will just provide a little bit more texture so that the Gorilla Glass Victus on the back of it won't immediately jump out of my pocket at any given moment.
It jumps.
It will. This is the slipperiest. It makes the glass on the front feel sticky. That's how slippery the Victus is on the back of the Z Fold 3. So hopefully maybe today or no, not today.
I guess not today.
Probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
Probably tomorrow I'll show off one of the early ones. You can pre-order it right now, but I'm telling you, if you buy that phone, especially that phone, it's so expensive, you need to put something on it that supplies a little friction in the pocket. Just something. Depending what type of pocket you like to use. Anyway, the Pixel 5a curveball, because I guess it wasn't a curveball, but we found out that it's going to have the power brick in the package still. 5A, and it's still gonna have the headphone jack hanging on to these things. And I think it was gonna be a decent power brick. Was it 18 watts? What'd they say? I think I'll give you some. Maybe it wasn't 18. It was in there. It was in this article here
something
somewhere.
With battery.
It was 20. Maybe it was 20 watts. Maybe it was 25. Anyway, someone's yelling or screaming right now. Maybe this article doesn't say. But either way, point being is they're gonna give you a power brick with the 5A. The cheaper phones, it seems to be the trend here. If you get a budget phone, you get more in the box. If you get a premium phone, you get less in the box. And so I'm not surprised that it seems to be confirmed now that the Pixel 6 will not include a battery or a charger in the box. However, I wonder how fast charging it'll be. Does it say anything? The Pixel 6?
No, not here.
They didn't share that information. I'm sure it'll have fast charging. While Google didn't touch on this directly, companies have historically justified removing the charger. Yeah, the eco reasons. Like its peers, Google claims there's no need. Most people have USB-C chargers, the company says. Well, listen, once Apple does it, everybody does it, and all of a sudden it becomes acceptable.
And it has wireless charging.
It's going to have wireless. It should have fast charging. I'm curious how fast and what brick I'm going to get. And I bet you better bet your bottom dollar that Google will sell you the correct charger. They'll sell it to you.